Good day, everyone. Welcome to our integration class. Today, we are going to learn about flu and COVID-19 symptoms. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to 1. Know the origin of COVID-19. 2. List the symptoms of flu and COVID-19. 3. Identify the symptoms of flu and COVID-19. And now, let us learn about the vocabulary words. Number 1. Disease. Disease. Illness or sickness characterized by specific signs and symptoms. Disease. Number 2. Flu. Flu. Any of several virus diseases marked especially by respiratory or intestinal symptoms. Flu. Number 3. Infection. Infection. Invasion and growth of germs in the body. Infection. Number 4. Symptoms. Symptoms. Subjective evidence of disease or physical disturbance. Symptoms. To start, let us learn about what is COVID-19. Anyone? So COVID-19 is an acronym that stands for Coronavirus Disease of 2019. CO stands for Corona. VI stands for Virus. And D for Disease 2019. And the first case was found in Wuhan, China. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. And it is a new strain of coronavirus likely originated in bats or pangolins. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. So, who are at higher risk of developing serious illness from COVID-19? Number 1, we have people with health issues. Those who have underlying medical problems such as hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, and kidney failure. Number 2, elderly or the older adults, the people in their 60s or 70s, more likely to get severely ill from COVID-19. And more than 80% of COVID-19 deaths occur in people over age 65, and more than 95% of COVID-19 deaths occur in people older than 45. Number 3, weakened immune system. A healthy immune system fights the germs that cause the disease. If we have a weakened immune system, you may need to take extra precautions to avoid the virus that causes COVID-19. Number 4 is obesity. Those who are overweight people. Having obesity increases the risk of severe illness from COVID-19, and obesity is linked to impaired immune function. How long does it take for symptoms of COVID-19 to appear? So symptoms of COVID-19 typically appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. So what are the symptoms of COVID-19? You must know the symptoms of COVID-19, which can include the following: cough, fever, chills, muscle pain, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, sore throat, and new loss of smell or taste. If you have these symptoms, seek for medical attentions. So let us talk all about flu. Flu or any of several virus diseases marked especially by respiratory or intestinal symptoms. We have different types of flu, like the seasonal flu, influenza A, influenza B, influenza C, or influenza D. And last time we've learned about swine flu, right? The bird flu or the flu pandemic. And what are the symptoms of a flu? Flu can cause mild to severe illness and at times can lead to death. Here are the symptoms of a flu. Includes cough, headache, fever, sneezing, sore throat, and body aches. And some people may have vomiting and diarrhea, though this is more common in children than adults. So what to do when you have a flu? You need to eat healthy foods, take medicine, drink more water, and especially you need to take a rest. And now, let's review. So let's start. I have different questions here and you need to answer if it is true, if the statement is correct, and false if the statement is wrong. Number 1. COVID-19 was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Very good. Next. Question number 2. Infection means invasion and growth of germs in the body. Is it true or false? The answer is true. That's correct. Question number 3. Loss of taste or smell is one of the symptoms of a flu. True or false? The answer is false. Good job. Number 4. Within 2 to 14 days, the symptoms may occur after exposure to COVID-19. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Very good. Number 5. Fever are both symptoms of a flu and COVID-19. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Great job, everyone. Okay, now let's proceed to our activity. So what are the things needed? An A4 paper, old newspaper or magazine, a pencil, a scissor, and a glue. So here is the instruction. You need to look for a picture of different symptoms of flu and COVID-19. You can use an old newspaper or a magazine and create a photo collage in an A4 paper. And for your reference, this is how you're going to make your output. Please don't forget to write your name, your nickname, your section, and your number in an A4 paper. So thank you, students, and see you again in our next meeting.